Welcome to Flex Integrator Tips, the license upgrade. Some surprises are good, but finding out your BDA is not provisioned correctly for a project is the kind of surprise no one wants. Fiplex can help. If a Fiplex FLEX BDA is provisioned as Class B, and the requirement is now to have a Class A BDA, by simply applying a purchased license, the Class B BDA is now a channelized Class A BDA with 32 narrowband filters. You have a low-powered 27 dBm Fiplex FLEX BDA installed, but now the venue has expanded and you need more downlink power. Apply the license on site, as no factory support is needed. If the BDA is connected to the internet through its Ethernet port, the license can be installed from the comfort of your home or office. And now it is a mid-powered 33 dBm BDA with 4 times the downlink power. Purchased a single-band Fiplex FLEX BDA, but now it needs to be deployed in a jurisdiction that requires dual bands? No problem. The license upgrade works for that as well. Here is a single-band 800 MHz BDA, and after the license upgrade, it now includes 700 MHz as well. Make sure to check out all the fit tips.